Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to generate an API key for Lara Translate. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up or log in. If you don't have an account yet, sign up at Lara Translate. Step 2. Navigate to API credentials in the menu to manage your API access. Then click on Create New Credentials to generate a new API key. Step 3. Name your API key for easy identification and click Create. Step 4. Save your credentials by downloading the key file right away. This is important because you won't be able to view it again. Keep in mind, free plan users can create only one API key. For more keys, consider upgrading to Pro or Team plans. If you need help, visit support.laratranslate.com or contact us directly at gtm@laratranslate.com. Get your Lara Translate API key today and unlock powerful AI translation for your projects. Visit laratranslate.com.